America ever existed. Something ancient may already have been here, buried deep beneath the... Before modern America ever existed, there may have been a forgotten civilization living beneath its land. Deep under forests, deserts, and mountains, archaeologists have uncovered strange stone structures that do not match any known history or culture. Some experts believe these ruins belong to an ancient people who lived thousands of years ago, building cities long before recorded time. They survived, built, and thrived in ways we still do not fully understand. But then, something mysterious happened. No written records remain, no clear explanation exists, only silent ruins buried beneath the earth. Did they vanish because of natural disaster, war, or something far more unknown? Even today, as we walk across America, we may be standing above the remains of a lost world, waiting to be rediscovered.